Okay, welcome. I'm excited. I ordered a few things from my shop on Redbubble. This is a print-on-demand platform where I can upload different pieces of artwork that I don't intend to sell as originals and that I want to make available as print. So I ordered a few things to test out, and one of them came today. So I thought I would do an unboxing and check it out. So I'm seeing this for the first time with you all. Hopefully I'm keeping this in the case. So Redbubble sticker, thank you Redbubble. Came nicely packaged, and as you can tell, probably this is a phone case. And it's for a Samsung Galaxy phone. And this is the thing about live unboxings. You get to see me struggle with packaging. So this is a tough case, and this is the piece of art that is called Waiting for Spring. And it looks pretty darn good, I have to say. So this is for Samsung S21. This is not a model of phone that I have. It's actually a model of phone that my husband has. So when he gets home, we'll see how this works. This is a tough case, like I said, so it's a couple of different pieces. But the resolution looks really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. The color looks good. You never know when you upload images. I'm a photographer, and for many years I uploaded images to print shops to have printed professionally, and you always do test prints because you never know with their colors and things like that what that's going to look like. So there we go. That is Waiting for Spring on a Samsung Galaxy phone tough case from Redbubble. Looks pretty good. Thanks.